Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2022 Chevrolet Silverado Trail Boss. Comes equipped with a 6.2 liter V8 engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as 2-inch factory lift, Goodyear all-terrain tires, as well as a trailer tow package with integrated brake controller and locking rear differential, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and so much more. Come check it out. All right, moving on to the interior, we're going to have these huge doors with tons of extra storage on the bottom, as well as 2 extra cup holders. You're going to have speakers on the bottom as well. It's also going to come equipped with your power locks, power mirrors, and your power windows. It's going to have that chrome accent. You're also going to have these black running boards on the side. Of course, you're going to have the 40-20-40 bench split seat, manually adjustable seats, very comfortable. And of course, moving on to the left, we're going to have our trailer tow controller, as well as a 2- and 4-wheel drive, and as well as our lighting system. And just on the steering wheel, you're only going to have just your cruise control. Nothing really much going on here. Just a classic odometer, as well as you can just pretty much access your truck shifter right there. You're going to have your switch start as well. You're going to have your infotainment system here with built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, your trailer lights, as well as your OnStar services, and as well as you can access your rear camera with your trailer hitch guidance. You're going to have your climate control, as well as your hill descent control, access your rear lift gate, 2 USB ports, a 12-volt DC port, and an AC wall charger, of course. Here you're going to have lots of extra storage, as well as storage inside the center console. Lift up the seat, just to put it back down, have this little tab, pull it, comes right back down. Passenger side's got that same finish, the manually adjustable lumbar. You have speakers on the bottom, the double glove box, as well as speakers up top on the sides. You're also got a little storage compartment there as well. And of course, you can access your OnStar services, as well as your SOS and your reading lamps. You're going to have these 18-inch blacked out alloy wheels running on Goodyear Wrangler all-terrain tires with the black plastic mirror caps and door handles, as well as your running boards. You're going to also have a low pro tonneau cover, as well as you're going to have the corner step with the dual exhaust and your trailer hitch and your 5th wheel just under, as well as you're going to have the easy lift gate. Goes down nice and slow. You're going to have your spray and box liner with tons of extra tow hooks, as well as lamps on the side. Very spacious rear. And onto the rear, it's going to have the same style, cup holder and storage on the bottom, as well as your speakers. Just equipped with the power windows in the back, and not a whole lot going on back here. You're going to have lots of leg room. You're going to have your rear ventilation. You're not going to have the armrest and cup holder, unfortunately. You have handles on the side, lamps up top, as well as extra storage under the seats. Well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet. We had this quick review on this 2022 Chevrolet Silverado Trail Boss. Comes equipped with a 6.2 liter V8 engine, as well as a 2-inch factory lift, all-terrain tires, built-in Wi-Fi, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe. We hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.